Okay, children. Today is Monday. The date is 31st August. 31st August 2020. Okay? We have learned 4 two-letter words. Okay? 4 two-letter words we have learned. What are those 4 two-letter words? Do you all remember? Yes, children? Do you all remember? Okay, tell me. What? Am. Very good, children. What is another word? At. At. Very good. What about another word? Am. An. Very good. Yes. Sanrika, what is another word? As. Very good, children. These are the 4 two-letter words you learned last week. What did you learn? An, as, at. These are the 4 two-letter words you all learned last week. Okay? Did you all learn? Do you all remember, children? Shall we once again revise all these two-letter words? 4 two-letter words. We have started with A. Okay? Come on. All of you. Am. Am. An. As. At. Okay? These are the 4 two-letter words we learned last week. This week we are going to learn another 2-letter words. 3 two-letter words we are going to learn. 3 two-letter words we are going to learn. Let us see what is this. Okay? Come on, all of you. Look at these letters. How many letters are there? 2 letters are there. How many letters are there? 2 letters are there. What is the first letter? H. What is this? H. And what is the sound of H? H. And this is E. What is this? E. H. E. He. H. He. Sidhu is a boy. Sidhu is a boy. So, if is somewhere far away, if you have to tell somebody about that boy, what will you say? He's a boy there. His name is Sidhu. That boy is he. The boy is he. 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 A boy is called he. He. Her. He. He. This is 1 two-letter word. Okay? He. Let us see what is another 2-letter word. Now, come on. Tell me what is this letter, children? You'll know. M. Very good, children. And this? E. M-E. Me. M-E. Me. M-E. Me. You should show yourself. M-E. Me. M. Me. M. Me. M-E. Me. This is another 2-letter word. Here also E is there. So, M-E. Me. M-E. Me. And one more letter. B. 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 What is this letter? B. What is this? B. And E, it becomes B. Not the letter B. Not the letter B. It is 2-letter word. It's a word. B-E-B. B-E-B. He should be there only. He should be there only. That girl should be there only. He should B there only. B-E-B, not capital letter B or small letter b. It is B-E-B. B-E-B. This is another two-letter word. All the second letters are E. At, as, and, am, you had first letter A, and in this you have E as a second letter in the word. Second letter in the word. Here you can see again. He, me, be. H-E, he, M-E, me, B-E, be. Now let us see. I will write the words here. I'll write the words here. What is the first letter, children, here? H. And next letter? E. He. Now, let us see. I am not writing any letter here. In this dash, what is the letter which is missing? You should tell me. What is this letter? E. And what is the letter here it is missing? H. So, H, E, he. H, E, he. Okay. Now, let us see another one. H is there. One more letter is missing. What is that letter which is missing? E. Very good, children. Second letter is E. So, H, E, he. Should remember, close your eyes and you should tell me, then I will write. Okay, children? H, E, he. H, E, he. So, one letter was missing here, that was E. One letter was missing here, that was H. Now, close your eyes, all of you. Now, you should tell me two letters. Both the two letters you should tell me. Close your eyes, all of you. Tell me what is the first letter of he? H. What is the next letter of the he? E. There's two letter words. Close your eyes and tell me. First one is H. Second one is E. Now close your eyes. I am going to write the first letter. What should I write, children? Tell me. First letter H. Very good. And next letter, what should I write? E. So, H, E, he. Okay? H, E, he. This is how you are supposed to practice. Now, let's see with me. What should we do with the me? M, E, me. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and read those letters. Now, tell me the missing letter. What is the letter which is missing here? M. Very good. Now, here there is one more letter missing. Close your eyes. I already wrote M. Close your eyes and tell me which is the letter which is missing there. Yes, children, tell me. Close your eyes and tell me. E. Very good, children. Now you should tell me the two missing letters. You should tell me two missing letters. All of you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? Yes? H, E, he. And what is the next word? I told you, you put your hand to yourself and what should you say? What are those two letters in the second word? And? Yes. And the next letter? Which is same in all the three words? E. Very good, children. First letter is M and the other one is E. Now open your eyes and see whether I wrote correctly or not. M, E, me. Correct? Did I write correctly, children? Yes, very good. So, M, E, me. This is how you are supposed to practice. Now, what is the next word? B, E, B. B, E, B. B is here. There's a letter missing there. Which is the letter which is missing there? Which I didn't write. What is that letter? The second letter? E. Very good, children. And here E is there. Another letter is missing. What is that letter? What is that letter which is missing there? B. Very good. Now all of you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? All of you all close your eyes. There are two missing letters. Tell me in the word B. What are those two letters which are missing in the B word? Tell me first word, first letter. First letter is B. And the next letter is same in all the three words. What is that letter? E. Very good. So, B-E, B. B-E, B. Shall we read all these words once again, children? Come on, let's read. H-E, he. Come on, repeat with me. H-E, he. H-E, he. M-E, me. M-E, me. B-E, B. B. Okay? He, me, be. Okay? This is how you are supposed to learn. Okay? You should read, you should identify the letters and say the sounds and tell the word. Okay, children? Sit down.